Take a ride in the 2018 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.